Perfection is the lie. Welcome to day 28 of this 30-day self-trust challenge with me, Kathy Richards, registered dietitian. So, self-trust isn't built by getting everything right. We build self-trust by staying with ourselves even when things aren't perfect. So, trust grows when you stop abandoning yourself in those hard moments. Perfection creates pressure, right? So if we feel like everything has to go the right way or how we planned, that puts pressure on us. Whereas if we're able to be just present with ourselves, that creates trust. So you don't need to do this flawlessly. You just need to stay connected and stay with yourself. So I'll give you a little inside scoop. This 30-day self-trust challenge is actually a way for me to build my self-trust too. As a healthcare provider, I want to help more people and I'm busy. I'm busy in my clinical practice, but outside of that, I want to be able to support more people. If it's through YouTube or another platform, that's not important. But showing up for 30 days is a self-trust challenge for me too. Showing up here, posting the videos, and learning that it doesn't have to be perfect. And even if I'm putting out a bunch of videos a week after they should have been out, that in a way is still building my self-trust, saying, okay, things I got behind, things got hard, things got challenging, lots of things come up all the time. And I can always trust that I'm going to come back. I'm going to finish the work. Maybe it's not on the schedule that I wanted it to be on, but I'm going to show up for myself. And that's building self-trust. Okay. So, an example, if we want to think about um, perfection being the lie around food, like you eat past fullness, okay? And then you immediately feel shame. And that old pattern would come back, criticize, control, why did I do that? But remember, we talked about that new pattern of being curious a few days ago. So think about curiosity, right? That's the new pattern. So, what did I need in that moment? That would be the question that I would ask. What did I need in that moment? I didn't need to be perfect. I overate, but what did I need? Maybe I needed to trust that if I was hungry later, I could eat more, but I overate because I don't trust that I'm going to let myself do that. Or maybe I ate because I was trying to stuff down some other feelings, and that's all I know, right? So it's not about making yourself wrong. It's about thinking like, what did I need in that moment? Maybe I really enjoyed that meal, or maybe I know that I'm eating a meal in secret, which some of my clients will do. So they're going to eat a lot of food in secret when no one's there to see it. But that again is not building self-trust that I can, eat a reasonable amount. I can eat what I really feel that I need, even when I'm with other people. So getting curious helps us keep that trust intact. Okay. So today's invitation is when something doesn't go as planned, practice staying on your own side. Okay. So no fixing, no criticism, just stay there. That's all. And if today felt hard, you've likely been taught that mistakes mean failure. But mistakes they're part of that trust building with ourselves, right? You're still here and that's what matters. Come back tomorrow, sorry, for day 29, where we're going to talk about how to grow that self-trust even more. Thanks for joining.